Let me give you an overview for AlphaMD Health application installed on Android phone. In order to log in into this application, you first log in with patient credentials. So let me tell you how patient is created in AlphaMD Health application. Here admin logs into the web application and create a patient. They receive an invitation link on their email ID. Further, patient clicks on the link, received an email and can set password for their account. And user receive a two-factor authentication as soon as they click on invitation link. Here we have disabled the two-factor authentication for demo purpose. So I'll be logging into this application using demo patient credentials. So since we have disabled the two-factor authentication, we have navigate to the pin code page. So let me set the password. Let me set the pin code over here. So instead of password, we can use this password to access this application. After setting up pin code, it will lead you to the consent page. So let me accept consent. After the consent is accepted, page will navigate you to the health data page. So as soon as the user will click on the connect button, it will provide access to the AlphaMD Health application to access the data from your HealthKit app. So whatever based on the program protocol, patient can select the heart rate, blood pressure data, steps count, etc. details. So AlphaMD Health application read the details of heart rate, steps, blood sugar from HealthKit app. At present I am skipping these steps and we can demonstrate this later. So I am skipping this and moving ahead. It will navigate you to the dashboard where you can see the details related to reading, task, appointment. Tasks assigned to the patient by provider will be listed here in this task section. So I can see all the tasks whichever is assigned to me by my provider. Caregiver section will show me the caregiver details. Education assigned by the caregiver related to the patient's program are shown here in the education section. Medication section, medication prescribed by the provider to the patient are listed here. Chat between the caregiver and patient are shown here. So I can add the reading from here. So I have already added my weight. Let me see if I can add something else from here. This is what I can increase, like I can update when it is already added. I am changing based on, I can enter today's date, so it will be recorded. So this data has been updated over here. Same way we can see this data graphically. So now I'll be turning on health data permission from setting. I will click on connect. It will provide access to the Alpha MD Health app to access data from HealthKit app. So if we go and check, so all the data from my health kit has been synchronized. See, this has been updated. Since it is updated, these data only be seen between the provider and patient only. So I would like to conclude all my walkthrough having said there are multiple features available which could be explained in detail ahead. Thank you.